You've seen the sketchy mods online promising wild horsepower for pennies, and you've probably also seen the repair bills that follow. Let's skip the clickbait. Today I'm sharing 10 legal mechanic-tested tricks that actually improve power, drivability, fuel economy, and longevity, without voiding warranties or breaking laws. These are the exact methods pros use in real shops. Some are free, some cost a little, but all of them give reliable, measurable results. We'll cover everything from smart tuning and fuel system care to tire choices and transmission service. Each tip is safe, reversible, and proven on the dyno or in real-world shop environments. So if you want your car to feel sharper, smoother, and more efficient, and avoid the horror stories, you're in the right place. Before we jump into the list, do one thing: smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and hit the bell so you never miss a mechanic-tested hack. Ready? Let's get into the first trick. And trust me, number 10 is the one most drivers overlook that delivers huge real-world gains. Number 1, professional ECU tune, emissions compliant and dyno verified. A professional ECU remap done by a reputable shop is the single most impactful legal upgrade for many cars when performed correctly. A dyno-verified, emissions-compliant tune optimizes ignition timing, fuel maps, and boost control for turbo cars to deliver smoother throttle response, stronger mid-range power, and sometimes improved MPG under normal driving. The key is to use a shop that tests the car on a dyno and offers a rollback file so the vehicle can be returned to stock if needed. Cheap, generic maps from the internet often neglect cooling margins, transmission safety limits, or emissions controls and shorten component life. A proper tune includes road testing, thermal monitoring, and conservative safety limits to protect the engine and drivetrain. The kind of professional care mechanics trust when they want real gains without risk. Number 2, high-quality air filter and proper intake design. Helping the engine breathe better is a classic, reliable way to improve performance. Replace a clogged paper filter with a high-quality OEM fit or reputable aftermarket high-flow filter, and if adding an intake, choose one that keeps intake temperatures low. The trick is design. Free-flowing intakes that suck hot engine bay air can reduce power, so use a properly shielded cold air setup or a short ram with heat shielding. A clean air path improves throttle response and combustion efficiency, reducing the engine's fuel demands and sometimes adding a few real horsepower in the useful RPM range. After any intake change, check MAF sensor readings and have the ECU adapt or retuned if necessary to avoid running too rich. Mechanics recommend quality parts and proper installation rather than flashy, noisy units. You want performance, not drama. Number 3, fuel system cleaning and injector service. Dirty injectors and clogged intake valves reduce atomization and cause inefficient combustion, translating to poor response, higher emissions, and worse MPG. A professional fuel system service restores proper spray patterns. It may include injector flow testing, ultrasonic cleaning or replacement, and intake valve cleaning, walnut blasting on direct injection engines. For port-injected systems, a quality injector cleaner through the fuel rail helps. For DI engines, mechanical cleaning of valves is often necessary. Mechanics rely on measured injector flow and controlled cleaning intervals to bring back factory performance. After service, you'll usually notice smoother idle, crisper throttle, reduced trim corrections on the ECU, and improved drivability. Use top-tier fuels afterward to prolong the effect. This is one of the best maintenance investments for drivability and long-term economy. Number 4, replace worn spark plugs and check ignition components. New spark plugs restore efficient combustion and significantly improve throttle response and fuel use. Worn or fouled plugs cause misfires, rough idle, and power loss. Replace them with the correct heat range plugs, iridium or platinum where specified, and gap them to factory specs. While you're at it, inspect ignition coils, leads, and connectors. Weak coils hide behind misfires and cause inconsistent combustion that drags performance. Mechanics also look for carbon tracking on plug boots and replace seals when needed. This routine, inexpensive service can make an older engine run like new. Faster starts, sharper acceleration, and better fuel economy. For turbocharged engines, ensure the plugs suit boost levels. Some applications need colder plugs. In short, perfect sparks equal happy combustion. Number 5, use high-quality synthetic oil and correct viscosity oil is the first line of defense for moving parts. Pick the right one. A high-quality full synthetic oil at the manufacturer specified viscosity reduces friction, improves cold start protection, and resists shear under load. This not only preserves engine internals, but often yields marginal MPG gains and sharper throttle response. Mechanics recommend synthetics for their thermal stability and detergency, which keeps oil passages and turbochargers cleaner. For high-mileage engines or heavy towing, choosing an appropriate viscosity or high-mileage additive protects seals and reduces oil consumption. Always pair quality oil with a good oil filter and correct change intervals. Don't just chase thicker is better, match the spec to the engine and climate. Good oil is inexpensive insurance against expensive engine repairs. Number 6, upgrade tires and maintain proper pressure and alignment. Tires are where power meets pavement. Choose wisely. Correct tire pressure, seasonal compound selection, and a proper wheel alignment deliver big, real-world gains in both performance and economy. Underinflation increases rolling resistance and heat, harming MPG and making acceleration feel sluggish. Conversely, the right low rolling resistance tire can improve fuel economy without sacrificing grip. Alignment ensures the contact patch works efficiently. Misalignment causes drag and uneven wear that saps responsiveness. Mechanics also stress rotating tires at proper intervals to keep wear even. The upshot: better acceleration, sharper handling, more consistent braking, and measurably improved fuel economy. Don't underestimate tire choice. Many shops say it's the most cost-effective upgrade you can make. Number 7, transmission and drivetrain service, fluid, filter, and adaptation. A slipping or sluggish transmission wastes power and ruins the driving experience. Regular transmission fluid and filter changes, done with the correct fluid spec, restore hydraulic pressure and clutch performance. For modern automatics, perform a TCM adaptation or have the shop reflash updated shift maps after service. This resets shift logic for consistent, efficient gear changes. Manuals benefit from clutch inspections and proper pedal adjustment. Dual clutch boxes often need software calibrations. Mechanics know a well-serviced drivetrain transmits engine power much more effectively to the wheels, improving acceleration and reducing parasitic losses. Worst case, neglected fluid leads to catastrophic failure. Best case, a fluid change and adaptation deliver immediate, tangible improvements in shift quality and throttle response. Number 8, balance rotating components carefully. Pulleys, flywheel considerations. Reducing unnecessary rotating mass can sharpen response, but it must be done with engineering care. Lightweight crank or accessory pulleys and performance flywheels or torsional dampers chosen and balanced by a shop can reduce parasitic losses and make the engine rev more willingly. However, too light a flywheel or mismatched pulleys can hurt drivability, increase NVH, and stress the drivetrain. That's why mechanics advocate balanced, tested components and professional installation. When executed correctly, drivers enjoy crisper throttle response, faster rev recovery, and a more engaging driving feel. Think of it as surgical. Small, precise reductions in rotating inertia deliver perceptible performance gains, but only if the parts are appropriate and properly balanced. Number 9, proper cooling and intake temperature management. Intercooler, thermostat, fan. Keeping intake and engine temps in check protects power and prevents detune. A healthy cooling system, correct thermostat, functioning electric fans, and clean radiators keeps the engine in its ideal temperature window so the ECU won't pull timing. For boosted engines, an efficient intercooler or cooler piping reduces intake temperatures and increases charge density for more reliable power. Mechanics also check for intake air leaks and ensure OEM sensor readings are accurate. Even small temperature reductions can result in firmer throttle response and reduced knock events, allowing the engine to deliver consistent power. Regular coolant service and cooling system inspections are simple steps that yield steady performance and longevity. Number 10, Use top-tier fuel, keep fuel system healthy, and mind driving habits, fuel quality matters. Top-tier gasoline uses stronger detergents that keep injectors and intake valves clean, preserving spray pattern and combustion quality. Pair good fuel with responsible driving. Avoid constant full throttle launches, reduce unnecessary idling, and shift drive smoothly. All these habits reduce stress on the engine and transmission and improve measured fuel economy. Mechanics also recommend periodic use of professional fuel system cleaning when monitored data shows high fuel trims or poor idle. For diesels or higher load engines, use reputable diesel treatments when required. Combine good fuel, periodic system cleaning, and conscientious driving, and you preserve power, throttle response, and fuel economy for the long haul. This final tip ties maintenance and behavior into sustained, legal performance improvements. There you have it. 10 legal, mechanic-tested ways to make your car run better, smoother, and more efficiently. No shortcuts, no illegal deletions, or risky hacks. Just shop-proven improvements you can trust. Try one or combine several. A tune plus clean injectors and fresh plugs makes the car feel dramatically different without compromising legality or reliability. If you found value in this, smash that like button, subscribe to Care Xpert, and tell me in the comments which trick you want a deep dive video on next. Drive smart, stay legal, and keep your car performing at its best. See you in the next one.